Hi, today we are going to look at some annoying things that I found with the iPhone 12 mini. So, I've been using this for a couple of months now. Alright, so one of the annoying things about, well, this is more of an aesthetic thing, but they've removed the logo from, usually it's below the Apple logo, but they've moved it to the side. Don't know if you can see that. They moved the extra logos to the side. It's just a non-recyclable, and I think this is certified Europe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's on the side, and you can actually feel it when you rub your finger across. The next annoying thing about the iPhone 12 mini is that the battery indicator is missing from the top right. You can never ever see the number on the iPhone 12 mini. You have to scroll down and then you see the percentage there. So it's a 41%. So that's pretty annoying. So I can't just look at it. Well, I can judge vaguely, but I prefer to get the number. So if you're nitpicking about that, that is quite annoying. The next annoying thing is that there's no thumbprint sensor. So you have to use Face Unlock ID or use the passcode. The Face ID doesn't recognize your face very well in dimly lit areas. I find that quite inconvenient when using it while I'm, or just sitting on the bed and just using the phone. So I usually use the passcode most of the time, which kind of makes it really redundant. The next annoying thing is iTunes doesn't work when you back up the old phone. So I had my original stuff on my iPhone SE, and I backed that up into iTunes, and then I plugged the iPhone 12 mini into iTunes and tried to back up from there, and it doesn't recognize. I tried the USB-C cable that came with it. I tried or this connector, so it's a USB-C input. I tried USB-A input. I tried loads of options. The best way to transfer your phone is to use the Bluetooth capability and transfer it like that. The next annoying thing that I found was that there is no charging plug supplied. So I bought, also the cable came with a USB-C to the lightning adapter, and I didn't have a USB-C plug. So I had to buy a wireless dock. And I found the wireless, I didn't buy the official one, I bought a Belkin one, and I found it didn't charge as fast. So I had to buy the USB-C plug. So it means that I had to pay more for it. Next annoying thing is this cable. It's the really cheaply made one. I thought they were going to go with the braided one, but it takes the shape that you wrap it around, and eventually, see, it's not straight there. Eventually it will snap. I've had loads of these cables just not do well, and also the tips on the cover here, that always just falls apart. I hate these cables. Next is the battery life on the iPhone 12 mini compared to the SE is not that different. I go definitely less than a day. By the end of the day, I have like 10 to 20%, somewhere in that range. I don't find a significant improvement from the SE to iPhone 12 battery capability. The next annoying thing is this notch. This notch is really distracting. Like it's I know there's the space here, but it is flat and the screen, there's no distractions. But this notch took a long time to get used to. It reminds me of a receding hairline. You know, when guys go old and you get a receding hairline, it reminds me of that. It's comical in a way. It took me a long time. to ignore that, especially with the so you get indicators here if you have your Wi-Fi on and whatnot. Took a while to get used to that. That's more of a personal preference, but that's something that I found really annoying. The next annoying thing was when this came out, if you had a screen protector, here I have a screen protector and the case, and you had it both working like so, it disables the touch recognition. So if you're trying to unlock it without your Face ID and you're trying to tap in the button, like the numbers for the passcode, it wouldn't recognize. That is really annoying. The next annoying thing is that this phone scratches very easily. I have the protector on. I had to wait for the protector, I think a few weeks, but there are noticeable scratches along the edges for me. I never dropped it. It was just from putting it into my pocket. I'll try to take pictures of it if I can, but it's under this screen protector. But yeah, it's scratched so easily. It's a phone that's very hard to keep clean. I always have to clean it or keep it in its case. Also, if you can see, I do not know what the deal with it, but dirt gets under the glass of the camera. And are these like bubbles or, like if your car gets, the inside of your car window gets misty, it looks like that, but I've no idea. It's you can see it right there. You can't wipe those off. Like, it's on the inside. So I don't know if you have to remove it or if you have to suck the air out or something. I have no idea, but that aesthetically is disgusting. Maybe it's a quality control thing. The next annoying thing is this notch. I wasn't used to this notch because I came from iPhone SE. This is completely flat. But this notch, if you're using it, you get a lot of, if you use up here, you get a lot of, seesaw action. But so I always have to use a case. It reduces it. Yeah, see? A little bit here, a little bit of play, unless I get a thicker case, because it protrudes so much. I don't understand why they couldn't have made this flush with the glass backing and made it all the same glass. Size comparison to the iPhone SE, like the screen is bigger, but the actual phone size is not that much different. If you see it, the difference right there. It's not that much different. So there we have it. The annoying things about the iPhone 12 mini. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.